Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this candle cutout. I went in first and mixed a little bit of cotton and kernel mustard to add, just to kind of make like an off-white color because I was out. And this is what I'm using to base coat my candle. Next I'm going to go in with terracotta and barn red for my flame. Now that everything's dry, I'm going in with a number 4 round in the color Savannah Mist to outline my candle. And then I'm going to use this same brush, but I'm going to swap for black to outline my flame. And then that'll complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.